is to get the mirrors off. Once we get the mirrors off, that pretty much has everything stripped down to where we can go ahead and start our body work. And I'm going to show you how we get the mirrors off this thing and the door panel, which is something you got to take off before you get to the mirror. But for now, let's go ahead and dive into this. Now, obviously, you want to roll your window down, and I'll tell you why here in a second, because, well, you're about to see. And I learned that the hard way, so yeah. But door panel is fairly simple. You got your trim tool. You just kind of want to come up here, get started, pop that up, and then it should pop up here, and then it's got a little tab. You kind of pull it out. So I'll get these connectors off of it that are stuck like they always are. I don't think this panel's ever been off, which is a good thing. So yeah, that's the tab I'm talking about right there. You pop the front up, pull it forward. Now that gives us access to, I believe it's a 7mm bolt. Yes, 7mm bolt. And then down here in this courtesy light, there's also another little hidden bolt. Now what you want to do, you want to start in the front of it on the clear side, pop it out, because again, it's got that. If you start back here, you'll break it, and then you're done. If you're replacing it, get that out of the way. Take your 7mm. Get that bolt out of the way. Take your 7mm loose up here. And get that out of the way. And then literally, your door panel just does this. Oh wait, you know what? I didn't take this off. And that just pops off literally with two little clips. And then it just slides up. You lift it off, and then you've got a connection back here for your light. Just reach down, unplug that, and your door panel is out of the way. Now let me find somewhere to set your door panel. Okay, now the mirror. First, what we're going to do is we're going to find this connection right here. Now what we'll do there is I will unclip it, and then we're going to push it back to the hole, and then we're going to look in this corner, and we're going to have a plug there. We pull this plug, and then we've got to get this out of the way. Hopefully I can pull this one up. Yep, there's that. And then I can pull this side down right here, and then that accesses your 4 bolts that holds the mirror on. Now all I literally have to do is just, you know what? I might want to grab a magnet, because it's going to make this much easier. So hold on just one second. Here the magnet comes to save the day. I'll show you what I got to do with that, and it's a nice little trick. But literally, once you get this one loose and it stays there, I can take my magnet and it pulls them right out. And yes, I learned that the hard way, because if you don't, they always fall in the door, and then you got to dig around in there for 5 minutes just to find one. Now this will be the one I drop down in the door. Just wait and see, because this is always the one I drop down in the door. Is it gonna stay put? I mean, I am kind of holding the mirror, so. Ah, yes. Now I've already got that fed back to the hole. And like I said, door's open so you can hold on to it. And it literally just comes off. And I'll show you it out here if I can shut the door. I gotta move this. And try to hold on to it all at the same time. Stay. Oh, we're getting there. Kind of hard working with the camera sometimes, but it is what it is. Now we just kind of support our mirror. We can shut the door a little bit, and we can come out here like so and just pull the mirror loose. And there's some little sticky tape right here we gotta take loose with it. Once that comes loose, you feed the wire up and it comes right through that hole. And there's your mirror. So if you ever need to take these off, that's how you do it.